Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's video, you are going to learn about the use of had to. Actually, had to is used to talk about necessity and obligation that existed in past. Had to is the past tense form of have to. Let's see what is the formula of had to and how to make sentences by using had to. स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे हैड टू का इस्तेमाल। हैड टू को बेसिकली हम ज़रूरत या ज़िम्मेदारी अदा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। मीन्स कि ऐसे जुमले जिनमें आपको ज़िम्मेदारी या ज़रूरत को करना हो, इट मीन्स कि आपने हैड टू इस्तेमाल करना है। आइए देखते हैं हैड टू का फॉर्मूला क्या है, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान क्या है और इसके जुमले किस तरह बनाए जाते हैं। आइए नज़र डालते हैं। द फॉर्मूला फॉर हैड टू इज़ सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड टू प्लस वर्ब्स फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन उर्दू इज़ अगर उर्दू के किसी भी जुमले के आखिर में पढ़ता था या ना था आए तो हम इंग्लिश में हैड टू इस्तेमाल करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं इसके जुमले किस तरीके से बनाए जा सकते हैं। लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट सम सेंटेंसेस। वी हैड टू लर्न अ लेसन एवरी डे। हमें हर रोज़ अपना सबक याद करना पड़ता था। We did not have to learn a lesson every day. Did we have to learn a lesson every day? I had to write a letter to my parents. मुझे अपने वालदेन को ख़त लिखना पड़ता था। I did not have to write a letter to my parents. Did I have to write a letter to my parents? Students, one thing which is very important to remember that how to make sentences as negative and interrogative. Students, एक चीज़ जो ज़रूरी है याद रखना वो है जुमले इनकारिया और सवालिया किस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं। Students, as I did in the first sentence, you have to do like that. As I did, we had to learn a lesson every day. When I changed it into negative, I put did not after the subject and changed had into have. You have to do like this. We did not have to learn a lesson every day. When I changed it as interrogative, I put did before the subject and changed had into have. You have to do like this. Did we have to learn a lesson every day? In the second sentence, I did the same. I had to write a letter to my parents. I did not have to write a letter to my parents. When I put did not, I changed had into have. And did I have to write a letter to my parents? When I put did before the subject, I changed had into have. So this is the way to make sentences as negative and interrogative. Don't forget it. They had to work in this office. उन्हें इस दफ्तर में काम करना पड़ता था। The farmers had to dig the canal. किसानों को नहर खोदनी थी। You had to accept my proposal. आपको मेरी तजवीज़ मंजूर करनी थी। अरसलान had to inform us about this decision. अरसलान को हमें इस फैसला से आगाह करना था। You did not have to print this book. आपको ये किताब शाया नहीं करनी थी। You did not have to remove them from their job. आपको उनको उनकी नौकरी से अलहदा नहीं करना था। We did not have to buy vegetables from the market. हमें बाजार से सब्जियां नहीं खरीदनी पड़ती थीं. Did you have to offer prayer? क्या आपको नमाज अदा करनी थी? Did he have to live from hand to mouth? क्या उसे बड़ी मुश्किल से गुजारा करना पड़ता था? Did you have to knock at the door? क्या आपको दरवाजे पर दस्तक देनी पड़ती थी? Did शाहजहां have to work hard to progress? क्या शाहजहां को तरक्की करने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी? Since it was all about the use of had, I hope that after learning the use of had, your English would be better than before. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.